jungle of poem, a world of animals sing, dance, and play together. Kids connect out each animal's moves while singing along. That Mr. Crocodile swims with a swish, snapping his jaws, splish, splash, splish. But today he's not so wild. He's dancing around with a big, bright smile. Spin around and clap hands. Stomp, 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 jump and clap. Dance so free. Clap in the jungle, wild and sweet. Hands in the air. Lion roars, the monkeys cheer. Clap like monkeys. Let's have fun, there's no fear. Spin around and stomp feet. King Lion shakes his mighty mane. Shake hands side to side like a mane. Roaring loud like thunder and rain. Clap hands and roar. But today he leads the beat. Tap feet like a drum. Tapping his paws and stomping his feet. Stomp feet on the ground. Ellie the elephant trumpets loud. Hands on like an elephant trunk, make a toot sound. Spraying water, watch the crowd. Pretend to spray water with trunk. With a wiggle, a jiggle, a happy sound. Wiggle hips and shake hands. She's the best dancer all around. All around the clap. Ellie the elephant trumpets loud. Plays on like an elephant trunk, make a toot sound. Spraying water, watch the crowd. Pretend to spray water with trunk. With a wiggle, a jiggle, a happy sound. Wiggle hips and shake hands. She's the best dancer all around, around. About any fear. Jumping, reaching the sky with a hoo-hoo-ha and a happy cheer. Clap belly and laugh, giggle and dance without any fear. Spin around the cloud, the dogs go woof, the cats go meow like a dog, meow like a cat. Boom, the sheep go baa, the goat says now, baa like a sheep, shake finger like saying now. All together, side by side, hold hands and sway side to side. Dancing, singing, full of pride. Jump up and cheer.